Hi Year 9, we are continuing with the scheme of work of Bloody RE. So the first thing that I'm going to ask you to do, Year 9, whether you're working from your whiteboard, paper or device, can you list down 5 examples of crime, please? I want you to pause the video now before I put some examples up. So, 5 examples of crime: murder, abuse, shoplifting or assault. When somebody commits these crimes in the UK, they face a punishment because they are breaking the law. For example, community service, fines, or even prison. So for example, if someone has shoplifted, their punishment might be community service. Now your master task, I want you to think about, is it important that people get punished for crimes and why? So you might be thinking, what is capital punishment? The definition of capital punishment is the punishment which involves the legal killing of a person who has committed a serious crime such as murder. Now your task is to write down 3 keywords from this definition on your whiteboard. Can you find 3 keywords for me, please? Did you know that another name for capital punishment is actually the death penalty? So you might have heard of this already. So you might be thinking, why does capital punishment exist? Why is it legal for the government to take someone's life if they've committed a crime? Well, the reason for that is something called deterrence. Deterrence means to discourage an action through the fear of consequences. So for example, if you have not handed in your homework and your punishment is getting a detention, other people might not want to get detention, so they do actually do the homework. So examples of why capital punishment exists is for things such as murder, abuse, terrorism, drug dealing, robbery and kidnapping. Now you may be thinking or wondering, does capital punishment exist in the UK? It does not. Capital punishment did exist in the UK though, up until 1965. It no longer exists for many reasons. For example, it is not seen as an effective deterrent. Although it may put people off from committing crimes, people still commit crimes. If that was the case, there would be no crimes in today's society. Now what do you think? Do you think the UK should bring back the death penalty? Now I want to know what you think. What do you think about the death penalty? So some of you might be agreeing with the death penalty, some of you might be against the death penalty, and some of you might be unsure about the death penalty. Now I want you to tell me what you are. So on your paper, whiteboard or device, you are going to follow the correct sentence starter for your opinion. So for example, if I am for the death penalty, I'm going to write down, I am for the death penalty, and give you 2 reasons why. Your master task is to write down why someone might disagree with your opinion. Once you have completed this, can you please upload this task to class charts? Your plenary for today is whack-a-mole. So there are a number of keywords